In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Zaps ownership in Zapier. If you need to hand off a Zap to someone else on your team, Zapier makes that process fairly simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find the option and start the ownership transfer from within your Zapier account. As you follow along, make sure you're already signed in and that you have access to the Zap you want to update. To begin, look over to the left-hand side of the Zapier interface and click on Assets. This area is where Zapier stores and organizes the items connected to your workspace, including the automations you've created. If you're not sure where to start, this is the main section that helps you locate the specific Zap you want to manage. Once you're inside Assets, click on the Zap you want to transfer. This opens up the selected automation so you can access its management options. Take a moment here to confirm that you've opened the correct Zap, especially if you have several with similar names. It's always a good idea to double check before making ownership changes. After opening the Zap, move to the right side and click the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains additional actions and settings that aren't shown directly on the main screen. If you don't immediately notice it, look carefully near the upper right area associated with the Zap. The three dots are often where advanced management options are grouped together. From that menu, click Change Owner. This is a setting that allows you to begin transferring the Zap to another eligible user in your Zapier environment. Once you select it, Zapier will guide you through the remaining on-screen prompts needed to complete the transfer. Be sure to review the details before confirming so the ownership goes to the right person. And that's it. The key steps are to open Assets, select the Zap, open the three-dot menu, and choose Change Owner. If you're managing automations for a team, knowing where this setting lives can save time and make collaboration much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.